So what's going on, YouTube? First video ever. I'm back in Nitro thanks to some good buddies. I haven't been running Nitro RTRs for about 20 years, and finally after seeing a bunch of videos and YouTube, I decided to go with something a little more than RTR. TLR 4.0. Tons of videos on YouTube about them, but I guess I'll add another unboxing video. So let's see this thing. Find my box opener. Oh, there it is. Good old trusty box opener I got here. Thanks to a good friend of mine, actually my best man at my wedding, gave me this. Let's open this thing up. So here it is, Losi 8T 4.0. Just got the kit right now and some receivers. You gotta get all the other stuff. Motor, engine, got tires. But maybe I'll film the build or just might go straight from unboxing to running. I don't know yet. But that's it for now.